Hey everybody, welcome back to Lon's Garage. So I bought a limited slip for the Camaro, and I had to get these bearings put on there. Came with new bearings, new races, but I couldn't get the bearings on the carrier without a press. So there's some videos out there of telling you to freeze the carrier, heat up the bearings, and then it'll go together. It'll slide right on there. Well, I didn't freeze the carrier. I tried that once and it didn't work. So what I did is I basically got this metal bowl here, and here's my hobby heat gun thing. Put my bearings in this bowl and let them heat up to exactly 250 degrees. It was important that it was 250. Once I got them heated up to 250, took the bearing, dropped it right on there. I mean, no pressure, no nothing. Went right on there, beautiful. They're on there good. No damage, no banging, no pressing, no nothing. So, hey, the hack works. Check out YouTube. There's a lot of guys out there doing it. And hey, if you don't have a press, that's all you got to do. Heat your race up to your bearing up to 250. Should slide right on there. And I've seen it work for pinion gears too. So, just a little shortcut for you. Let's see what this should say. Max 250 reading. Well, I used a heat, my laser heat gun laser thermometer to make sure. So yeah, get it to at least 250. Have some patience. It'll work for you. Thanks for checking out the channel. Later.